So you can see how the heck can anybody think of this thing, this password. Hello friends, it's akshit-science and today I will be making a program that is very simple, very awesome and very useful for beginners. So in this program I will be generating password randomly like an OTP or anything like that. So it should be random and it should contain all type of uppercase, lowercase. So this video is going to be awesome and the code is in the description so you can download it, but let's do it. And it use the things that are pre-built inside, so and it is easy too. So let's start the video. Coding time. So we need to import first string module, then we need to import random module. So string module and random module all are okay. Spelling here. Random module all are pre-built. So for as we have imported, now we need to make a main. Let's put on here four variables: string dot lowercase, then s2 as string dot uppercase, and then s3 as string dot digits. So you must be imagining what is lowercase. So lowercase is ABCD in lower format, then ASI uppercase is in ABCD in upper format, and then digits in 0 to 9. Now S4 is equal to string dot punctuation. So adding punctuation as a password would make the password impossible for an hacker to hack down. I mean, very difficult it will be. If you don't want punctuation marks to be also included, you could just simply comment it out. But just include it in that. Now we need to have some password length. P length we will note it as that shall be input and enter the password length. So it should be entering our password length. Now we need to make a list to control or to make all these things in one variable. So s is equal to s, then we are going to use the s dot extend thing, and here we will write s1. Okay, and one thing to also note it down as list in here. So list, yes, like this. And now let's copy this. Okay. Yes, now I will be adding all here s here to this side 3 and s4 at last. So all set. Why it is showing this s dot extend s1 and okay. So now we will move on to our statement known as random dot shuffle. I think that we need another this. That's why it was showing error. Now it is in this was being left. So random dot shuffle is that command that will shuffle all this. I know it is kind of different that random dot shuffle, but it is the same. So it is going to shuffle all these content in here. Now we don't need to print all these things. So if we will print s, then see what will happen. So it is asking the password length, that's 3, and you can see all that stuff. It is okay. Leave that. I need to also flag it in next slide so it will be more clear. Like this. Now I will also make you write this that you can more understand it more perfectly, that print s1, so that you could understand that what these are. So let me change it to in here, then 3, then 4. Yes. Now let me come to top for a while. So you can see ABCD small, ABCD in big, 0 to 9, then all the punctuation mark. And that was the thing that we have stuffed it all in this list. So we don't want this much long password. We are going only to print this and not in comma form. So let's do this thing also. If you want more like these Python projects videos, then please comment down so I could know what they want. So we are going to print like this. Hey, what is this? So this and dot join s, then colon p length. Yes, let's run it and see if it will work or not. So 4 is the password length. Okay, I think there is some mistake in here. Oh yes, I got to put on here the 0. Now I think it will go work. Enter the password length. Let's consider 4. Oh yes, I got that. I have not put here int. That should be the it should be not the string. That's why it was showing error. I need to practice more. So you can see how the heck can anybody think of this thing, this password. Okay, let us run it again and see what will come now. ELG. Oh man, and then semicolon at last too. Okay, let me run once again. Let's see that what will work. The password length 4. This all thing. So you can see how crazy passwords are being printed down here. So if you like this video, then please comment that this password generator kind of thing that I have made it using only small 2 items, and you can generate your interesting program. I mean your interesting password. You can see full stop, then percentage, then PYG in capital. How anybody will understand this kind of silly password? So please like, comment and share for more of these videos like this. Thank you.